Hello, this is Kelly McLendon, Managing Director of CompliancePro Solutions. In our continuing series of hot topics, HIPAA and information blocking, today we're going to talk about the USCDI. The USCDI is the United States Core Data for Interoperability. It's a data set or a set of data classes. They're operating in version 1 and proposed version 1.1. At this point, it'll continue to expand as we go forward. It replaces the CCDS, the Common Clinical Data Set that was used for reporting purposes and things like getting data out of EHRs for the last few years. It's a set of data classes and data elements. It allows for data sets beyond clinical data, so it's not just about clinical data. It's really to set a foundation for broader sharing of EHI, electronic health information, which we learned about under the information blocking rules. It's a nationwide interoperability standard that will help with health information exchange. They will call the same types of notes the same thing, the same data classes all get the same name. So you have to standardize like that in order to facilitate exchange of information between different players. It supports the move to value-based care from the government, and they're going to expand the USCDI over time. Now the USCDI, and you can see this is a draft of version 2, but for purposes today, just take a look at the major categories of what's in the USCDI. Allergies and intolerances, you can see the reactions, substance, drug class, substance, medication. Assessment and plan of treatment. Goals, health concerns, any procedures the patient had. Provenance, which is a little different. It's the author's organization and the author's timestamp so that it helps to authenticate the data. So it's not really the data, it's metadata, data about the data. It's saying who authored it and what's the timestamp so that we can know that we're getting authentic data. And there's a link that you can use to go out and see more about the USCDI. Here's some further, as part of a screenshot I took from the website, care team members, and you can see the care team members is part of version 1, but the provider identifier and provider name are the draft version 2, so they'll be included soon enough. Clinical notes, and it's very important that you understand this are all kinds of notes. Consultation notes, discharge summary, history and physical, procedures, nurses' notes, all part of clinical notes. We'll see some more of that on the next screen. Immunizations, laboratory, lab reports, lab narratives, tests, value and results. Some of them will be in structured or discrete data. Some of them will be in report form. What are the medications? What are the patient's demographics, their smoking status? Do they have any unique device identifiers? And different vital signs. And look up under this is again another screenshot reading down on the website, procedure note, progress notes. Those notes are part of the USCDI. If patient requests them, you're going to have to make sure that request is filled, or you're going to have to issue an information blocking exception. Diagnostic imaging, encounter information. Here's some more demographics and some more vital signs and problem lists. So all of this information is considered by the USCDI version 1 and must be given upon patient access requests and really other access requests as time goes forward on April 5th, 2021. This set will continue to expand, but in October of 2022, it'll really be any information in the patient's designated record set beyond even the USCDI. You will have to give to the patient or direct that data to go where the patient says, or you're going to have to invoke an information blocking exception. That's it for today on USCDI. Thank you for your attendance. As always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out.